sunshines, stay with me. See how to make this delicious smothered chicken. And please press that subscribe and notification button. It's free. Don't go anywhere. Thank you. Hello, welcome back to my kitchen for this smothered chicken recipe. Okay, today we have 5 chicken wings cut up and 4 chicken thighs cut up. These are the pieces that I use, but you naturally could use pieces of your choice. This chicken is now, it's been soaked, washed, and dried and ready for seasoning. These are the ingredients needed for this recipe. I have a half a teaspoon of salt, complete garlic powder and onion powder, a half a package of Sazon, 1 onion, some better than bouillon chicken, and I have some Creole seasoning, and 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. The chicken is now seasoned with the salt, the complete, and the garlic and onion powder and the Sazon. It's all seasoned. Okay, for frying, I have the 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour in this bag, and I also added the half a tablespoon of the Creole season, and we're gonna fry the chicken up. So I'm going to dip each piece into the flour mixture here and shake off the excess flour and put it in a hot pan and fry each piece. Okay, we have the chicken in the pan, in a hot pan on medium heat. And as I had mentioned before, when you put the chicken into the flour, make sure you shake off that excess flour. And we're gonna brown this chicken on both sides. This is the beautiful coating and color we wanna get our chicken to. Okay, chicken is now fried, and I poured off most of the oil. I left about this much oil in here for the gravy. And in the meantime, put some water on to boil so you can add chicken bouillon to the water to make chicken stock. Okay, so I'm going to put the onions in here and we're going to saute this. Saute that right up in that. Saute for about 3 to 5 minutes on low heat, because you don't want to burn your onions. Okay, the onions are sauteed, and I'm going to begin to add some flour. I'm going to use the same flour that was in the bag that I for the chicken. That's seasoned with the Creole season. So I'm going to add some flour to here to make a couple of tablespoons to start, and then you just stir it and see how thick it is. And you just stir that. You can cook. The longer you cook that up, but it has to be on a low flame. It has to be on low because you don't want to burn your flour, you don't want to burn your onions, and the longer you cook it, the darker your gravy will be. But if it's not too dark, if it's not dark enough, we can always add some gravy master to it. And then the stock broth that we made with the boiling water and the chicken bouillon, I'm just going to add that to that. and get that to the consistency that we want. If it's the longer you cook it, the thicker it'll get. If it gets too thick, then we just add some boiling water to that. Okay, so the gravy's ready, and I did the taste test. I added some black pepper, and I added some Creole seasoning to this, and a little bit of better than bouillon. And because I like my gravy a little darker, I added some gravy master to make it this nice color. And now, next, we're going to add the chicken. Okay, the chicken is now added, and I turned it up and bringing it to a boil. It's now boiling. I'm going to cover it, turn down the flame to simmer, and simmer it for about 20 to 25 minutes. See you later. Smothered chicken is now ready. Dinner is now ready. Smothered chicken with a side of white rice and cornbread. Enjoy. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please press that subscribe and notification button. It's free and it's letting you know when my next video is available. See you on my next video. Peace and love to everyone, and have a blessed day. And thank you. Thank you for watching my video.